on, drive straight. You used to be good at this.
What's happening?
It's pulling, it's shaking, it just feels off. You know, like in Space Jam when they all forgot how to play.
Your car didn't lose its talent.
Then why does it feel weird after winter?
Potholes, salt, cold weather, alignment gets knocked out, tires go out of balance.
So we're not gonna call Michael Jordan?
Nope, we're calling the alignment rack.
That feels less cinematic.
But way easier. If your steering wheel is shaking, if your car pulls to one side, if it just doesn't feel right driving down 422 or Penn Avenue, you're probably Googling something like wheel alignment near me, or why is my car shaking after winter? Today, we're talking about alignments, tires, and balancing. I'm here with Joy to break down why this happens and why it's often an easy fix.
So winter is tough on vehicles, especially living in Redding, Birdsboro, Berks County, because that's where we live, Berks County, pothole heaven. Potholes alone can knock your alignment out and slightly out of spec, which can cause other issues that you have. That doesn't mean something is wrong. It just means the angles on your wheels are slightly shifted. The steering wheel isn't straight anymore, which means it's causing your car to drift. It means that the tires aren't riding evenly, and the ride is definitely not comfortable for you. So in that case, you're probably going to need an alignment. The shaking at highway speeds, I'm telling you, it's probably not an alignment. It's more likely that your wheels are out of balance. A wheel alignment adjusts your wheel angles back into manufacturer's spec. That improves steering control, ride comfort, uneven wear on your tires, and overall comfort. Tire balancing makes sure that the weight is evenly distributed amongst your wheels so that when you're driving, especially at higher speeds, you don't feel that shaking that you do. A lot of people think that's alignment. It's usually not the case. When a tire is unbalanced, you usually feel a shake, usually around between 50 and 70 miles an hour. When your wheels are out of alignment, you'll usually feel a pull to the side, a drift while you're driving, things that can be easily taken care of. These are all maintenance things, not major fixes. That's a good thing.
Okay, I filled out my bracket.
Let me see. You have total mechanical disaster going to the finals.
I always assume the worst.
Statistically, it's usually tire or alignment balance. Upset of the year.
So driving with a bad alignment won't leave you stranded. Thank God, that's the last thing we need. But you will need to come in so we can get that taken care of for you. Takes an alignment rack. We got one of those. Over time, it can wear your tires unevenly. It can reduce fuel efficiency and put stress on other suspension components that'll just have you back here to get more work done. So when you need an alignment, come in and make sure you get it taken care of. Catching it early keeps it simple. Not drama, not a lot of time waiting, just clarity. So if someone comes into our shop here in Redding, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, or Wyomissing and says, my car just feels off, we'll check a couple of things. We'll check your alignment specs, we'll check the wheel balance, we'll check some suspension components, and just an overall check on your vehicle to see what might be causing your issue. We'll explain what we find, then you decide. Diagnostics are about the answers, not the pressure.
If your car is pulling, your steering wheel is shaking, if it just feels different than what it did before winter, you're not crazy, and it probably didn't lose its powers. Most of the time, it's alignment or tire balance, and most of the times, it's fixable. If you're in Redding, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, or Wyomissing, we are here to help you figure it out. No panic, no overreaction, just clear answers. Next week, we're diving into how car care fits into real life, including how our pickup and drop-off makes it easier than you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.